Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. How does AWS Glue support data cataloging? By encrypting data at rest. By compressing data for storage. By automatically cataloging metadata from data sources. By enforcing access controls. The correct answer is by automatically cataloging metadata from data sources. AWS Glue supports data cataloging by automatically cataloging metadata from various data sources, providing a unified view of data assets for analysis and discovery. How does AWS Glue handle data quality issues? By compressing data for storage. By enforcing strict access controls. By ignoring data quality issues. By providing built-in data quality checks. The correct answer is by providing built-in data quality checks. AWS Glue handles data quality issues by providing built-in data quality checks that help identify and address common data quality issues during the ETL process. What is the primary function of AWS Glue? Content Delivery Network. Email Management. Virtual Machine Management. Data Integration and Transformation. The correct answer is Data Integration and Transformation. AWS Glue primarily facilitates data integration and transformation tasks, enabling users to prepare data for analytics and machine learning. What is the purpose of a bookmark in AWS Glue? To encrypt data. To track the processing progress. To store data. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to track the processing progress. In AWS Glue, a bookmark is used to track the processing progress of ETL jobs, allowing for efficient data processing and resuming from where the job left off in case of interruptions. What AWS service can be integrated with AWS Glue for real-time data streaming? Amazon Kinesis. Amazon Redshift. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon RDS. The correct answer is Amazon Kinesis. AWS Glue can be integrated with Amazon Kinesis for real-time data streaming, allowing users to process and analyze streaming data in real time with Glue ETL jobs. How does AWS Glue enable data integration? By providing connectors to various data sources and targets. By enforcing access controls. By encrypting data during transfer. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by providing connectors to various data sources and targets. AWS Glue enables data integration by providing connectors to various data sources and targets, allowing users to easily ingest, process, and load data from diverse sources. How does AWS Glue simplify the ETL process? By encrypting data during transfer. By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. By providing a managed service for ETL tasks. The correct answer is by providing a managed service for ETL tasks. AWS Glue simplifies the ETL process by providing a fully managed service that automates many aspects of data extraction, transformation, and loading. What is the purpose of a data lake in conjunction with AWS Glue? To store and analyze large volumes of raw data. To compress data for storage. To encrypt data. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to store and analyze large volumes of raw data. In conjunction with AWS Glue, a data lake is used to store and analyze large volumes of raw data from different sources, providing a centralized repository for data exploration and analytics. How does AWS Glue enable serverless data processing? By automatically provisioning and scaling resources. By encrypting data at rest. By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by automatically provisioning and scaling resources. AWS Glue enables serverless data processing by automatically provisioning and scaling resources based on the workload, eliminating the need for manual infrastructure management. What AWS service can be used for data cleansing tasks within AWS Glue workflows? AWS Lambda. Amazon Redshift. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon S3. The correct answer is AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda can be used for data cleansing tasks within AWS Glue workflows, enabling users to write custom code for data validation, transformation, and cleansing. How does AWS Glue handle schema evolution? By terminating the job. By ignoring schema changes. By requiring manual intervention for schema changes. By automatically updating the schema based on changes in the data. The correct answer is by automatically updating the schema based on changes in the data. AWS Glue automatically handles schema evolution by updating the schema based on changes in the data, ensuring data consistency and compatibility over time. What is the purpose of a connection in AWS Glue? To define the connection details to data sources and targets. To encrypt data. To store data. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to define the connection details to data sources and targets. In AWS Glue, a connection is used to define the connection details, such as endpoints and authentication credentials, to data sources and targets for ETL jobs. What programming languages are supported for writing AWS Glue ETL scripts? Java and C#, JavaScript and PHP, Python and Scala, C++ and Ruby. The correct answer is Python and Scala. AWS Glue supports Python and Scala for writing ETL scripts, allowing users to leverage familiar programming languages for data processing tasks. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Glue for data preparation? Faster data processing speeds. Lower data storage costs. Enhanced network security. Automated data discovery and schema inference. The correct answer is automated data discovery and schema inference. The primary advantage of using AWS Glue for data preparation is its automated data discovery and schema inference capabilities, which streamline the process of understanding and preparing data for analysis. What AWS service can be used for serverless data warehousing with AWS Glue? Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Amazon S3. Amazon RDS. Amazon DynamoDB. The correct answer is Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Amazon Redshift Spectrum can be used for serverless data warehousing with AWS Glue, allowing users to run queries directly against data stored in Amazon S3 without the need to load it into Redshift first. What is the purpose of a development endpoint in AWS Glue? To store data. To encrypt data. To interactively develop and test ETL scripts. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to interactively develop and test ETL scripts. In AWS Glue, a development endpoint provides an environment for interactively developing and testing ETL scripts before deploying them to production. How does AWS Glue handle data versioning? By encrypting data at rest. By compressing data for storage. By enforcing access controls. By tracking changes to data over time. The correct answer is by tracking changes to data over time. AWS Glue handles data versioning by tracking changes to data over time, allowing users to maintain a history of data changes and revert to previous versions if needed. What is the purpose of an ETL job in AWS Glue? To store data. To encrypt data. To monitor network traffic. To extract, transform, and load data. The correct answer is to extract, transform, and load data. In AWS Glue, an ETL job is used to perform the extraction, transformation, and loading of data from source to target, facilitating data integration and processing tasks. What is the purpose of a trigger in AWS Glue? To monitor network traffic. To store data. To schedule the execution of jobs. To encrypt data. The correct answer is to schedule the execution of jobs. In AWS Glue, a trigger is used to schedule the execution of jobs based on specified criteria or events. What type of data can AWS Glue process? Only unstructured data. Structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Only structured data. Only semi-structured data. The correct answer is structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. AWS Glue can process a variety of data types, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, making it versatile for different data processing needs. What AWS service can be used with AWS Glue for data warehousing? Amazon Redshift. Amazon RDS. Amazon S3. Amazon DynamoDB. The correct answer is Amazon Redshift. AWS Glue can be integrated with Amazon Redshift for data warehousing, allowing users to perform ETL tasks and load data into Redshift for analytics purposes. What is a crawler in AWS Glue? A type of virtual machine. A network security tool. A machine learning algorithm. A component used to automatically discover data and schema from various sources. The correct answer is a component used to automatically discover data and schema from various sources. In AWS Glue, a crawler is a component that automatically scans and discovers data and schema from various sources, enabling easy ingestion and processing of data. What is the purpose of a data catalog in AWS Glue? To store metadata and schema information. To monitor network traffic. To encrypt data. To compress data for storage. The correct answer is to store metadata and schema information. In AWS Glue, a data catalog is used to store metadata and schema information about data assets, providing a centralized repository for data discovery and analysis. How does AWS Glue enable data transformation? By providing built-in transformation functions. By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. By encrypting data during transfer. The correct answer is by providing built-in transformation functions. AWS Glue enables data transformation by providing built-in transformation functions and libraries, allowing users to easily perform common data transformation tasks without writing custom code. What AWS service can be used for data storage in conjunction with AWS Glue? Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3. The correct answer is Amazon S3. AWS Glue can be used with Amazon S3 for data storage, providing scalable and durable storage for data ingested and processed by Glue ETL jobs. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.